Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix ghost touch problem on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is remove any screen protector or case if they are not original. So my case and my screen protector is original, so I don't need to take them off. But if you do have the unoriginal ones made by a third-party company, then you need to remove them and test if the ghost touch problem is still here. If not, then you know the issue. If there's still some problems with the ghost touch, then put them back on because it's not the issue. What you guys can do is remove a screen protector and then clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture using the microfiber cloth, for example. As you guys can see, let me give it a few good swipes, but don't do it too hard, guys. You can only make things worse by doing it hard. Now after that, if there are still some issues, then what you guys can do is go over to settings and make sure that you're running the latest version of your Android. So go to system, now here go to system update and click online update. So my system is up to date, as you guys can see, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.